My name is Leah and I am from AudaCity Capital, the PR department. And at the moment we are just conducting interviews with people just to hear about their story and their journey into trading. So the first thing I just want to ask you is to introduce yourself and how you got into trading.
Hi, well, as you probably know, my name is Paul Brown, and actually, the way I got into trading was this guy right here, my 17-year-old brother right here. He showed it to me when I came back from when I moved back home, and I at first I put it to the side because I didn't really care that much for it, but then I kind of got a little curious because I got a little, I mostly got a little desperate for money. But then when I checked it out, I was like, this is really interesting. So he showed me a guy by the name of Nick Legend. And so I took his classes to learn this stuff, and I kept going from for about a year and a half.
My next question was going to be, how did you learn to trade successfully? Was it through trial and error, or was it through someone like that guy that you said?
A lot of trial and error, a lot of experience, a lot of patience, and a lot of trial and error.
That's what most people say whenever I interview them. It's just trial and error, trial and error.
That's that's
So
that's that's how most people learn is trial and error. Because
definitely.
I actually wrote down my setup right. Well, yeah, right here, like my entire setup of what I do right here.
So what have you found is like the best strategy for you when you've been trading? Because a lot of people have had to go through different things to find out what works the best for them. So what have you found has worked the best for you within trading?
Higher time frames, always the higher time frames. Start out with the higher time frames and zoom in.
So you're doing the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
Hmm.
So how's that been for you so far? Have you had any success? How's it been overall for you?
Very rusty when I first started it because I did not find like this. I did not find this until like I was at like $800 drawdown until I finally found this, and now I'm at recovery now.
Oh, great.
Like when I started doing this, my win ratio just skyrocketed.
So my next question is, what is the best advice you can give to someone who's just starting their trading journey?
I would let them know I would let them know every risk and how much like pain you'll be enduring when trying to do this. Like
Yeah.
if are you sure, like, is this really what you want to do? Because I'm going to tell you, this takes a lot of patience, a lot of trial and error. You will be probably risking a lot. Like you'll be risking a lot of money in the long run, or even now. Like this is not for everybody. Do you think you can do this? Like I would
Yeah.
always let them know the risk before they're doing it, and I was well aware of the risk, but I knew my gut said this is definitely something that I can do.